Want some meat?
I want the sandwich. I want the
Yes, I want flesh.
I want
You want to barbecue sausage?
You guys here?
Alright. Hi.
Go ahead. No. I feel good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Can you see it's a very vibrant day this
No. Whoa.
Can you see some very vibrant day in this house? Shh. You guys, babe went to the supermarket to do a quick run this morning. So he just got back, and I'm here with this little rascal. Sorry, I was taking a nap, so you guys will say sorry. Turn around and say hello to Faves.
This boy
What
too
one?
much energy.
What one? Mama.
Yes.
Hold it like this.
Hold it like what? You want me to lift you up?
Yep,
do you want
like
me to
this,
do?
just like if I was in a carrier. Like this.
You know what you look like when you're like this?
What?
You look like a 3 years old.
No, I look like a baby.
Let me smell your mouth.
Yes. You're 3 years old.
Oh.
You stink him out?
No. Tell Papa you brush your teeth this
I
morning.
brush my teeth
Brush your
this
teeth?
morning.
Tell Papa what's the rule for you to watch your tablet on the weekend.
Brush my teeth.
You must brush your teeth first and what?
Read a book.
Exactly. So he know the rules. In order for him to watch the tablet on the weekend, he must brush his teeth and read a book first. Alright, to the supermarket haul.
Alright, let's come and see what we have here.
Go get out.
What good thing did Papa
Okay,
get? Oh,
I could think in
What's
French.
that?
Crayon d'ardoise. Mais
sac
on en
d'ardoise.
a déjà à l'école.
Oui,
Oui,
mais on
c'est
est-
le neveu.
C'est les nouveaux, c'est quand la maîtresse elle va écrire encore SOS pour les crayons. On en a à la maison, ça reste à la maison ça.
Papa.
Non, mais j'en ai amené déjà et mes.
Oui, et la prochaine fois que tu as
La
amené.
prochaine fois.
Et ils sont où lesquels pour la maison? T'as ramené ceux de la maison à l'école. Et à la maison, il y en a d'autres?
Boom.
Boom.
Alright, do the
Alright, we have this for Tyler because
Biscuit. Oh, I wanted it.
there were no happy biscuits, so
Let me see. Papa buy a new biscuit.
yeah, when we don't find the regular thing, you have to think about substitutes. So we got that, two petit beurre,
And
Sarah's
biscuit.
favorite biscuits.
Biscuit. Biscuit extra doré.
And we have
Et
cookie.
du granola.
cereal bar,
Fais-moi
two
voir.
cereal bar.
Cluster.
Flusters is a branded today. What do we have here, Tyler?
We have
This is to cook. This is
Nair.
to cook.
It's
Have
not
there.
free to cook. Don't listen to
There.
Papa.
Yes, it's to cook.
No, Ty, don't believe Papa. It's not to cook.
It's to put in the porridge.
Tyler, don't listen to
Yes,
Right.
it's the milk we put in the microwave to make the porridge. It's the milk.
Alright.
And the brand of the milk is Nair.
Nair,
That's not
nair.
true. That's okay. Listen to me. Listen to me. This is something from Mama. Mama, I'll tell you one day what it's used for. Don't listen to Papa. Don't you ever put this in your mouth, in your porridge, in nothing at all. You hear me?
Alright, Tyler, let's move on. What is that?
Alpro.
We have almond milk. We have cereal
Non,
bar
c'est
for
pas ça,
Tyler.
c'est Chocapic.
And we have donuts for
Ça,
Tyler.
c'est
Oh, you have just a
Saint-Michel.
baby amount. That took just 20
Saint-Michel.
years. There's ginger.
Saint-Michel.
Our supermarket today is a Sunday because it will be hard in the week. And I realize that today is not the best day. They don't refill
No,
much
they don't refill
inside the
much,
store.
yeah,
But
until long.
at least it's a day we can go. I would say it's.
Tomate familiale.
So we got
Tomate
Tyler,
familiale.
Be careful.
what do we have here, Tyler?
Oh, it look like plants. It's plants.
It's green bean. We have some.
No, it's
green bean.
plant.
We have some banana.
No, it's not banana.
slap you. Do what
It's
you're
a
gonna do.
boomerang. This is some ball.
Oh, you find my cereal?
Apples.
That's it.
Oh, it's the bar you couldn't find. Okay. The
Ça,
week when I needed the
ça
other
c'est des
one.
fruits.
This week, this one just tastes
Des
sweet.
fruits.
Cereal. The other one was there, but with there are always two. The one that you like wasn't there. The other one was the one with some
Sugar.
chocolate, black chocolate. I don't want it because you never eat the one with chocolate. Guys, so we got some apples, some sweet potatoes, got little sweet potatoes. We have some zucchini here. Well, I still find things, but not as much. And we have chocolate milk. I realize when I don't have the celery full of bag by itself. It looks empty in the cart without the celery. So yeah, we have some grape juice, some pineapple juice. We love this juice recently. What do we have here? We have some yogurt for Sarah. Look, I'm going to show you all the yogurt that I get. Everything almost is for Sarah. This is for Sarah. This is for Sarah. This is for Sarah. This is for Sarah. Mrs. Yogurt.
Papa,
This
you
yogurt.
left me.
This yogurt only is for Tyler.
No, you didn't wait on me.
We have some cheese here.
Papa, stop,
What is that,
stop.
Tyler?
Filet nectar.
You buy cheese for
Le
Tyler?
nectar.
No.
Le nectar.
I checked, but I didn't know what to take. So, what is that, Tyler?
Ça,
That's
c'est
interesting.
ultra confort.
Oh yes, that's ultra comfort.
Ultra confort.
Very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Alright, what do we have here? We have juice for Tyler. And
Let me see. Ça, c'est tropical.
what is this? Tropical. We have olive oil.
Ça,
That's
c'est
breakable.
quoi? Ça,
Olive
c'est
oil.
crânier.
We have some grape
Ah,
juice
ça, attends, j'ai pas vu ce que
and
c'était.
another
C'était
apple juice.
Jus.
Alright, honey. I want you to be here to see what is
Les
there.
nectars.
Fast. Where are you? We have an exotic
Let
cocktail.
me see. Ça, c'est de l'exotique.
What is
Attends.
that?
Oh, it look like Springle. It's Springle.
Pringle?
Yes, it's Springle.
This you wanted?
It's
This is what you wanted?
Springles.
Yeah, but I wanted a big bottle. You didn't say a bigger bottle.
No.
The
That's so small.
Springle.
Alright,
We have
what is this?
Springle. Ça,
Shrimp, so
c'est
I take two.
Because I took two last week.
But I put one on it.
Okay, so that's
du.
shrimp.
Ça, c'est
That's stinky in the fridge. Ooh, what is that?
I'm sorry.
It look like I know what I'm going to cook for dinner.
Another one.
Oh. That's draining out.
Which one?
The salmon.
Alright, so we have salmon, two salmon that's joining out, she said. So I'm not gonna show you guys.
Sorry, just wake up, you guys.
Oh, what is that? I find something pretty.
What is that?
It called duck.
Okay.
That was the only duck there.
Alright.
So you should be satisfied with
Oh,
my
yes.
duck.
Oh, yes.
Let me show you guys.
That looks
That
good.
looks for
So it's the
yummy.
first I'm gonna cook duck.
You didn't cook the duck the last time, no?
No, it was already cooked.
Okay, so then I'm gonna have. We have two chicken to finish.
Alright.
For the
So
day.
what I'm to cook for dinner for today?
Ask Tyler.
Duck.
One duck or you want oxtail?
You want duck?
A duck and you can give me some cribbit.
No.
Yes.
No.
Okay, so duck and
Oh, I don't have quinoa too.
Okay.
duck and
You got green beans?
Yeah.
Okay. Duck and what for dinner today?
And banana.
no.
No, my little pumpkin.
I like to
Give me her
eat
porridge. I'm gonna give her porridge.
apples and
Honey, there's
bananas.
something in here to wipe up.
Okay, where's the pot? Is it
See
this
there?
one?
I like to eat apple banana.
Alright, you guys, my baby girl is up and she's getting porridge for lunch. Look at her in the plate. Sarah, look. Say hi. Look, say hi. Hi. You gonna say hi to the face?
Papa, look.
Can you say hi to the face?
Yes, so that's very funny.
Hi. Look at her tasting the porridge. Put her finger in it. Anyway, you guys, that's all the things that babe got at the supermarket. The papa to leave you. Sarah, look. Look, Sarah.
Je ne vois pas de crocodile, moi. Fais comme s'il y en avait.
Montre à ces méchantes créatures qui est le patron.
Allez-vous-en. Espèce de vilain crocodile.
Ça, c'est bien fait.
Ça vous est déjà arrivé. Quoi?
Yeah, your remote turn on the TV, honey. Guys, I am making dinner for the fam bam. I'm doing steamed cabbage for babe and I, and in here I have cabbage, carrot, corns, assorted sweet peppers, and onions and garlic. So that's all that is in this one that is steaming. Alright, and then over here I made some mashed potato for Thailand Sarah, so that's mashed potato with carrot mix in that one. And then in here I have duck. So where the duck is concerned, it's my first time cooking it, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. How can I help you? Yes? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Me. Sabit.
What? Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! Here goes the kids' plates. Carrot puree.
Frisbee.
And potato and duck. Babe and dinner is ready and everybody's hungry. Grub time.
Hi guys, it's officially the end of the week. Somebody's very tired. She can't manage but yeah, she have a long day. I nap today, I nap for an hour. So yeah, that was a full day. You know, I have the feeling to have accomplished. I mean, I went to
We
the
did a lot.
market. I went with Tyler for the
Biking.
bike.
Tyler is doing so good on his
I
bike.
play with him and did different things, and have the feeling that I did
You
something
had
in
a
my
good,
day.
you had a full day. You know why you had a full day today?
Because I wake up very early.
Exactly. And we didn't stay in the bed at till 12 like we used
Right,
to.
I wake up at 8:20, 8:15, and just nap for an hour, so that wasn't long, but that was enough. So yeah,
And I
that's
didn't
fine.
nap, so now it's
Oh yeah, when you wake up at
taking me
8
over.
and you have a full day, you just feel accomplished. It's not easy, especially Sunday. That's the only day you want to rest, but yeah, have a full day. But a new week gonna start. Oh, let's see how it's gonna be. Let's see how this pandemic. It's been a year now. Let's see how this pandemic we manage it. Honestly, when it all started last year, I never think that it will last.
tell
a
them what
year.
you said when coronavirus
Never
came out.
think.
Tell them what you said. Tell them now.
What I
When we
say?
just start hearing about coronavirus, what did you and Jen say to me?
Oh, that is a joke.
It's a joke and it's just a flu.
Yeah, it's just a flu.
I was the only one of the three of us said, joke, alright, wait and see.
Well, you're the
1
only
year
one of the three of
later.
us that didn't catch it.
Exactly. Exactly. You catch it, Jen catch it. Anyway, you guys, continue guys to stay safe. Continue guys to wear your mask. Continue protecting yourself and your family and your loved one, and be mindful of people around you. Love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the fan bam. Catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.